Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix that glorious home model is disconnected in Windows laptop. So for this, what you need to do is go to the Chrome browser, then you have to search for the glorious device is disconnected. Then you have to choose the first option from here in the live agent. Then if you click on it, after that it will take a couple of seconds. Then you have to simply click on the download the following zip firmware file. Then you have to simply click on download. After that you have to simply extract it and you will get something like this. Then you have to go to the model D disconnection fix update here if you are using a Windows laptop, and if you are using a Mac laptop then you have to go to the first option from here, and here you will get the updated version. But if you are using a Windows laptop like me, you have to go to this file and then you have to click on the auto online upgrade. You have to right click on it, then you have to click on the run as administrator option from here, and after that it will simply show you a updating window, and after that it will simply fix you the problem. Here we can see in the installation process, an installation window will open. Let the window close on it's your own. You will see a waiting message. If the mouse stops working after the firmware update windows closes, simply unplug it and plug it into the same USB port again. Start the glorious software. It should work now fine. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.